Shocking secrets about Deepika Padukone. Beautiful actress Deepika has always been vocal about her life, but there are many unknown facts about her professional and personal life. In this video, let us have a look at some unknown facts about her professional and personal life. Professional life. Deepika took acting skills from Anupam Kher and dancing lessons from Shamak Dawar. Deepika got popularity through the commercial of Little Soap. This was her career's milestone commercial. In 2005, she became Kingfisher Model of the Year, which gave her big-time modeling debut in Lakme Fashion Week. Deepika's actual debut was with a movie named Aishwarya, which was a Kannada movie. Farah Khan chose her as the lead in her film Om Shanti Om after seeing her in Himesh Reshammia's music video Naam Hai Tera. Very few people know that it was Deepika was supposed to debut opposite Ranbir in the movie Saawariya as Salman chose her. But later director Sanjay Leela Bhansali opted for a star kid Sonam, and when both Om Shanti Om and Saawariya got released, the former became a blockbuster. For her role in the movie Chandni Chowk to China, she learnt a martial art from Jiu-Jitsu and performed most of her stunts without any body double. To perform a blind girl in Lafange Parinde, Deepika observed blind persons and rehearsed her scenes blindfolded. When she was struggling hard in the industry with consecutive flops, Imtiaz Ali's Love Aajkal became hit and made her a known face in the industry. In her film Kartik Kaulik Kartik, she was supposed to smoke, for which she almost denied the role, but during the shooting she was given nicotine-free organic cigarettes. A court case was filed against her name for her dance in the title song of Dam Maro Dam for indecency. Deepika was given choice of role in her movie Cocktail, and to explore her acting ability, she chose the character of Veronica. She was really praised from the critics and audiences for her performance in the movie. Deepika Padukone became the first actress to do 4 back-to-back hits, Race to Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Chennai Express and Ram Leela in the year 2013. She became the highest paid actress, and her performance was credited before SRK's in the movie Chennai Express. Deepika was ranked 9th in the Forbes list of 2015 with earnings of 59 crores. She was the only actress to grab a position in top 10 of the list. Deepika learned sword fight, horse riding, martial art, Kalaripayattu for her role as a warrior princess in Bajirao Mastani. For her role in Ram Leela, she received many praises, but the best appreciation she received was a bouquet from none other than Big B. Deepika started to write a weekly column in Hindustan Times in the lifestyle section in the year 2009. Deepika got a whopping amount of 3 crores for only 2 days shoot in the movie Kochadayan. Personal life. It is unknown to many people that this beautiful actress was born in Copenhagen, Denmark. Deepika got her attraction towards outdoor sports from her father. She even played national level badminton before joining modeling. She is in love with outdoor games, and many people do not know that she has even played baseball for state level. She adopted a village in Maharashtra named Ambegaon as a part of NDTV's Greenathon campaign to provide electricity. Very few people know that she decided to pursue her acting career when she was in class 10. Deepika was living with her rumored boyfriend Nihar Pandya during her initial days at Mumbai. After breaking up with Nihar, she even dated former Indian skipper MS Dhoni, and there were rumors about their marriages too. But it is said that when talks of Deepika and cricketer Yuvraj's relation started doing rounds, MS Dhoni broke up with her. After her fling with Yuvraj, she even dated Siddharth Malia, son of business tycoon Vijay Malia. Siddharth Malia gifted this beauty an expensive flat in the plush Bio Monde Towers in Prabhadevi, which priced around 16 crores. Sid and Deepika were also caught getting cozy on camera during IPL matches. Ranbir and Deepika's relation is known to everybody, but the unknown fact is that Deepika suffered from depression after their breakup. Deepika tattooed her with the initials of Ranbir during their relation. Even after her marriage with Ranbir, she still has the tattoo. Deepika even admitted that Ranbir and their relation meant world to her, and that is why she suffered depression after their breakup. Deepika has a foundation named Live Love Laugh that works for people dealing with depression. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.